Assalamu alaikum. This is my new condenser microphone. So now I tutorial this how to use new condenser microphone fixed. So now open first time this I open. Then here have all setup. This is vocal clear part. This is manual description paper. This is sound card. So how to fix this sound card? See, here I have live 1, live 2, then accompany, charging, earphone, handset, then condenser, microphone, and this dynamic microphone. Okay, this is power button, and this is EQ, and this is microphone volume controller, and this pipe, this is monitor, music, recorder, bass, turbo. Okay, so this is the condenser microphone. First this track and fixed this foam. Okay, then connect here cable. So this is cable. See, this is cable, and I connect this cable. Okay, connect finish, and this is this coming. See here, this coming condenser microphone. This is condenser microphone. And then I take other cable. All cable is 3.5 milli. Okay, this cable live 1, live 2, and one cable charger. You can charger fixed here, charger cable, no problem. This is going to USB charger or computer, laptop, any, no problem. This is coming charger, charging, connect here. Okay, charging connect here. This is this cable coming live. Okay, so live 1, you can need live 2, live same example. You can live 1 live YouTube, 1 live Facebook, no problem. 1 live, this 1 mobile, and this cable 1 mobile, 2 mobile, same live. Okay, live open and connect this cable, connect this cable other mobile, connect this hair cable. Okay, this one cable going here, and this live, and your handphone. You can use this mobile, you can use this earphone, mobile earphone, or use a big headphone, no problem. So this is going to headphone, earphone. See, this is okay, and this cable same coming your voice. You can need karaoke music. This cable important, so this fixed here. Fixed this cable. This going PC or laptop or other mobile, but this cable coming here. See, here coming voice inside, going voice inside, and this is live outside, and your microphone here. This is voice coming here, same voice and music here, karaoke music here, music, then going live. You can need not live, you can need no live, only you recording, no problem. You go connect your mobile and you going your camera open and you recording video, no problem. See, I telling again, this is your PC or other mobile. This is live 1, fixed live 1, fixed live 2, no problem. This is live. Okay, this is charger. You outside going, no need charger, you only open, press here, no problem. Inside have battery and maybe 3 hour, 2 hour, this always on, no problem. So now I play this, press here, see this is open. Now open this and you use this handphone. Here you air and voice, here very clearly voice. You use powerful microphone, use full volume, this full. Now this is long area and hair fixed, no problem, hair volume full. You use this same here, volume medium here, bus, no, not full volume. You use here same like this, voice medium. You use this one here and your mouth other area, voice full. And this EQ, you need EQ full EQ, you need half EQ, no problem. And then you close this, press, now close. Thanks for watching.